But it's raining like mad. Do you think the thunder's gone away? Or do you think it's just the rain? But there's gonna be lightning. Did you see that flash?
Definitely.
Wait, just keep it. There it is, the thunder.
About 4 miles away.
And this rain keeps getting heavier and heavier.
Oh, Mom might be really close to it.
Maybe. It looks like it's somewhere around that way.
Yeah.
Ooh, there.
But Mom and Dad maybe are somewhere over there.
Doubt it. After this, I'm going on BBC Weather. Let's see what it says.
Look at the gutter. Look how full it is.
No,
It might start overflowing at the top.
I doubt it.
We're doing our camp. That was the heavy. I thought that was a dog thing there.
It is a dog.
The fake one. I wonder where that cat went. Probably buried somewhere.
And there's a couple of lightning on tape.
Probably. All the rain's down. It like dies off, then starts again.
We are in Northern Ireland, so what do you expect?
I expect better raining. Okay, the gutter is overflowing down there. Or about to.
And it is. Still, I don't even know.
I bet you that is actually overflowing.
Oh, it is. Did you see that flash?
Yeah, and I
Wait
heard
for
a
it.
bang.
Wait for it.
That's closer.
And louder.
Scary. Rain starting up again.
Hope we get some proper lightning bolts. When we go to
Well,
Spain, we'll see some lightning bolts that are for that are more than one lightning bolt.
I think there actually is a lightning bolt somewhere, just we can't
In the
see it.
clouds, usually. And there's ones that just flash everywhere. It's in the clouds.
Look up into the clouds here, you can see anything.
You want to go up in the clouds and get like maybe electrocuted?
Can't be
Kill
funny.
yourself. go up there and probably kill
You
yourself.
kill if you can die.
Again, sure. I watched the guy got struck by lightning twice.
You look at the head.